Hello everyone, my name is Roman. I'm the founder of Earth AI, the first in the world machine learning data analysis service that helps mining explorers find gold. I've been working for 3 years as a geologist, and now I'm in my final year of PhD here at University of Sydney. The first thing to realize is everything that you live in, everything you drive in, and everything you play with is made of metals and minerals. And you can't just synthesize them. You have to find and dig them out of the ground. But it's getting harder and harder to do so. Everything obvious has been already found. The costs are rising, but the number of new discoveries is falling. Soon, if we don't find a better way to find new resources, everybody's going to feel the shortage. Let me tell you how people find gold. Our first client, ActiveX, has an area of 1,100 square kilometers near Mount Isa. It's huge. Typically, for that kind of area, you would have 10 millions of dollars and 5 years to explore. But you can't just physically sample every square meter. You're going to run out of money that way really quickly. So geologists use cutting-edge remote sensing and geophysical methods to narrow down their search. And once they think they found something, they take a soil sample to see if there is gold inside. Those methods are great. However, they generate too much data. Each pixel on this image is a sensor reading, and there is about 1.2 million of those. Multiplied by 39 data layers, you end up with 45 million data points. 45 million. Myself, as a geologist, I was always feeling frustrated. How can you analyze 45 million data points? You can't just eyeball it. If you have a new idea, you're going to look through it all over again. As a result, people just don't use their data at most. They use several layers and neglect the other ones. And we think there should be a better solution to it. The first thing to solve it is you need to join all the raw data layers into one consistent database. And we build a code to do that. Then, you can't just plot different raw data layers in many, many plots and then cross-reference all of that. It's too hard. You need to do it quickly. So we tested many, many AI algorithms and built a specific neural network which is capable of handling geological data. As a result, the algorithm outputs a specific map which shows locations with the most chances to find gold, called the exploration targets. But this is all at the back end. We want geologists to be able to use it on a daily basis in the field. So we built this Earth AI web platform. Each point on the map has information about all raw data layers. Then we use machine learning to group the data into precise geological maps with 30 meters resolution. Lastly, but most importantly, our neural network trains on existing soil sample locations with good mineral concentrations and gives location suggestions of where to look for mineral exposures. And this is this yellow points on the map. As a result, this dramatically lowers explorational risks and cuts down costs by at least 50%. Even though the mining market is just recovering from a big downturn, it's still $1.4 billion in Australia and $9.3 billion spent for exploration. But we are not only cutting costs, we are saving time. And this comes to saving operational costs. And moreover, it saves people from failed exploration and drilling programs. And you can't put a price on that. Our business model is a simple B2B subscription, $1,000 per 100 square kilometers of analysis monthly. We expect a monthly recurring revenue of $10,000 per customer. So far, we've been operating for 5 months. We've signed 11 ASX listed companies on free trials. We delivered 5 of those, and we have 1 paying customer, which is with us for 3 months. But not just a paying customer, an excited paying customer. We generated 6,000 new exploration targets for ActiveX. Several of those overlay with existing mines. The team behind this consists of two people, myself and my old business partner, Igor, who is a talented web developer with experience in serverless architecture and web mapping. And one more thing. If you ever want to move to Mars, you would need to build a colony. But you can't just land anywhere and send geologists around to look for necessary resources. You need to find a precise location which will have all the necessary resources nearby to build a successful colony. And we can help with that. Our technology works on Earth, however, the same principles can be used on any other planet. Back to Earth. So far, we are one step ahead of the world, and we need money to grow fast. We are raising $500,000 today to further develop our web platform and expand globally. Thanks for your attention, and please join us in revolutionizing the mineral exploration industry.